Hey guys, it's Tyler. On this episode of Green Tea Time, we are going to talk all things container plantings. I certainly hope you can contain yourself. You want to choose varying heights that allow your planter to flow and in different colors to create a contrast and pop. So I've chosen the grass for my higher level, a hydrangea for my medium level, calabrocha and impatiens for my lower level, and then a vine to cascade down the front. All right guys, check it out. We've got our grass in the back for our height and our really contrasting texture. And we've got our hydrangea coming through the middle with our bright pink color. We've got our calabrocha cascading down with its purple blooms, and then our vine over here for a different cascading texture. It's a wrap. Thanks so much for watching. We will see you all next time on Green Tea Time.